Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to another day, another episode of live day trading. We're looking at the 3-minute chart on the Russell as well as on the NASDAQ, and we're gonna make some money today. Markets open up in just about 2 minutes, so stick around. So this 680 level right here that I have my cursor on, this is my kind of zone of interest or line of interest. I'm very curious to see how price action will react. Right now it seems to be acting as resistance. It was pretty stiff resistance several times during pre-market, but pre-market doesn't always hold up when the markets are actually open. So we are breaking this line. Let's see if we get a close. Yeah, I think we'll close above it. That's just too much. Irritating. That was my fault. I got excited. I shouldn't have put on that trade. I did it to myself. I saw we broke that resistance. We're going on to new all-time highs. I thought, oh, this will be an easy trade. No, I should have done better. I know better than that. Do better, guys. Don't be like me. What's the Russell doing? Russell is still kind of trapped between the averages, so yeah, you just leave that alone for right now. See, this is the entry I should have originally waited for. Instead of getting excited, putting it up here, knowing this candle is already extended, and there's probably going to be some pullbacks, so I like this setup much better. We are going to move you up to even. Do not. Thank you. Do not. Unbelievable. I mean, that was a slightly profitable trade, but I want to see what price action does here. If that was a good place to get stopped out or not, because yeah. I mean, maybe it was. I mean, we definitely didn't get a clean rejection for sure, but I want to see what's going to happen here. If this turns into like a 40-point candle, I'm going to lose it. Yeah, I think maybe I was too aggressive with my stop, but we had moved up 10 points. And so I thought, it's basically a trailing stop, like I might as well just trail this bad boy up. But see, now we're bouncing off because I was too aggressive with my stop. So that's another lesson for today. If you're trailing your stop, don't be too aggressive with it, because I could have been 20 points profitable right now, and instead I got stopped out for 1.1. And I'm going to turn my attention to the Russell because I'm going to look at this and sulk. So I'm not making the same mistake this time and buying right now because we're clearly a little overextended. I mean, this is a V shape. You've heard of, U bottoms or rounded bottoms. This is a V bottom, so there's no way I'm touching it, which is what I did on the Nasdaq, and I got burned for it. Apparently, I should have done it on the Russell. I guess the Russell does not care about things like retracements and basing patterns, so here we are. Yep, Nasdaq still creeping higher. Oh, I still could have been in that trade. And here I am bemoaning it instead because I moved my stop too aggressively. It's a day for lessons in the market today. Not making money for me personally, but just for lessons, I guess. The market is classes in session, and Mr. Markets he's teaching a pretty tough lesson today. So the lesson is, don't be excited. Don't be overly excited for trades. Don't jump in just because you see something that looks good on the surface. Wait for a proper entry point. Additionally, don't be too aggressive if you're like me and you're just moving your stop loss up. Don't be too aggressive doing that. You will get stopped out early in good trades, and I don't know what the Russell's doing right now. I could have entered right here and been up 4 points, which is pretty solid on the Russell, but anyway, don't be too aggressive with your stop loss. I should have kept it in place for a little bit longer, maybe at least until we got, this candle. I had a wick put in place, and then I can set it as the low before that, or I could have even set it, just moved it up right here about 5 points instead of 10 points. I would still be in this trade, and I would have made all my money back. I'm down 374 today. If I had stayed in this trade, the Nasdaq is currently at 714. I entered at 681, so that's like 40 points. That's 40 points that I missed out on. And I was trading 2 contracts, so that's like 80 points. That's so much money that could have been put into this fake simulated account, but still, it's about the lessons that you learn so that as I transition into real money, which will be happening in the near future, you don't make these mistakes. So I think I'm gonna call it here. I don't done. I feel like I've missed all the good trades in my allotted time period. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Go like, share, and subscribe. Go smash that like button. Go absolutely ham on it. Destroy that boy. But thank you so much for tuning in. You guys rock. I hope you guys are all making more money than I am today, and have a good one.